Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Epson XP-970, and now I'm gonna show you how to print on this printer using iPhone. So basically, it's very easy to do. So firstly, of course, you should create any document on your iPhone. For example, I will open iPhone notes and I will write, I don't know, hello world. Okay, and click share. Afterwards, scroll down and click print. And here you should click printer and choose your printer from this list. But your printer must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your smartphone connected. Okay? And if your smartphone and your printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, your printer will be visible in this list. So choose here your printer. Here choose how many copies you wanna do, print in color, or if you disable it, so printer will print in black and white. Double-sided or not, paper size, orientation, scaling, and other settings. Cool. Then click print and wait a while. Of course, you should open these doors because here is the paper output. It's very important to close it, so to open it. That's cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.